Have you always dreamed of making your own movie? Well, that dream is no longer just a dream. Thanks to powerful and completely free AI tools, I'm going to show you in this video how you can create your very own cinematic movie without spending a single penny. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, AI Magic Motion.
To kick things off, I decided to use ChatGPT for idea generation. I asked it to give me 10 cinematic images for a film concept where a girl gets lost in the jungle after a plane crash. I also requested that the images be sized at 16 by 9, perfect for widescreen. On top of that, I asked ChatGPT to create a separate AI prompt for each image so I could use them directly with image generation tools. One very important point is this: if you want to create a professional-looking film, you need to make sure you're using a consistent character across all of your images. To refine the prompts, I went back and asked again for 10 more, this time making sure that none of the details in the images would change and that the character would remain completely consistent across all of them. Right away, it gave me these 10 prompts, and as you can see, it kept the image size at 16 by 9. That's the standard 16:9 widescreen format. I'll copy those prompts here as well. And from the link I've placed in the description, you can access the OpenArt AI platform. This is the homepage of the AI platform we're using, and this is exactly where I need to enter my prompt, so I'll just paste the prompt right here. Before generating my image, take a look at this section. This is where I can add a reference image by uploading the picture I want to use as a guide. That way, the character will stay consistent across all the images. All right, after uploading the reference, take a look at this part. For each creation, it's currently set to generate 2 images, but we can increase it up to 4. I'm going to keep it at 2, so each time it will produce 2 images for us. When you sign up for this AI platform, you actually get 40 credits to start with. Each image costs 5 credits, so the 2 images I'm creating right now will use up 10 credits. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how you can unlock unlimited credits, so you'll be able to generate as many images as you want. Our images are ready. Now, make sure to go into this section, enlarge the picture, and take a close look at all the details. Once you've chosen the image you like, simply download it using this button. Now we go back to ChatGPT, copy my second prompt, and paste it here on the AI platform. Our reference image is already in place, so we don't need to touch it again. Then we hit Create, and the second set of images will be generated. Now our second batch is ready. Take a look at them carefully and download whichever ones you like. Now we go back to ChatGPT, copy my third prompt, and paste it into the prompt section to generate the next 2 images. At this point, we're using another 10 credits. But just like I mentioned earlier, don't worry about your credits. I'll be showing you exactly how you can use them unlimited. Now we download the image I've selected, and at this point, we have everything we need to start building a super high-quality movie. Next, I'll enter the 4th prompt. And here's a very important point. Our reference image is what keeps all the characters consistent. This is absolutely key if you want to create a professional cinematic film. After adding this image to our collection, I go back to ChatGPT. You can keep repeating the same process with all the prompts. Now we move on to the video creation stage. Here, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a brand new prompt for me, one designed specifically for turning images into video, with smooth camera movements and detailed, professional quality directions. Now my 10 prompts for creating images and turning them into videos are ready. So I'll copy the first prompt, and from the link I've placed in the description, you can access the Video AI platform. Once you're on the homepage, as you can see, just click on Image to Video on the left side. Here I'll upload image number 1, and then paste the prompt we copied earlier. This AI will generate super high-quality videos for us, and that's exactly why I chose it for this tutorial, so I can also show you how to use it completely for free. Each time you sign up, you can create 5 high-quality videos. After pasting your prompt here, don't change any of these settings. Just make sure the model is set to Vdo Q1, which is the subscription version, but remember, with every new sign-up, you still get 5 free uses. Each video will be 5 seconds long, in full 1080p quality. We won't touch the other options. Here you can choose how many videos to generate, but I'll leave it at 1. Then you just click on Create Document and wait for your high-quality video to be ready. our video is ready. But before we hit play and watch it together, if you've enjoyed this tutorial so far and learned something new, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and stay tuned, because I've got plenty more awesome tutorials coming your way. All right, our beautiful, high-quality film is ready. You'll notice there's a watermark, but don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to remove it. As you can see, the background looks cinematic, the details are amazing, and the overall result turned out fantastic. Now check everything carefully, and if the video looks the way you want, click the download button here to save it, with the watermark for now. Then we go back to ChatGPT, copy my second prompt, and here we remove the first image by clicking the X button. Next, we upload image number 2 and paste in the new prompt. Make sure your image is fully uploaded and then hit Create. Great! Our second video is ready, and as you can see, the quality is outstanding and very engaging. It captured all the details perfectly. Even the gloves we included in the reference are clearly shown here. Before we get to the exciting part, adding sound effects, I want to show you how to remove the watermark. From the link I've placed in the description, you can access the media.io AI platform. This is the homepage, and here we hover over the Products tab, then click on Watermark Remover. That takes us to this page, where you can either install the tool on your computer or use it directly online. I click on this button, and it asks me to upload a file. I'll choose one of my videos. Let's go with the latest one. Notice how my cursor has now turned into a brush shown as a green circle. You can adjust the size of the brush right here, so I'll make it a bit larger to match the watermark. Then all I need to do is highlight the watermark area with this brush, and finally, click on Remove Object Now. We do this really quickly, and in just 10 to 20 seconds, the watermark is gone. As you can see, it's completely clean, there's no trace of it left. I'll hit play to show you, and then download the finished video by clicking this button here. But to use OpenArt AI and Video AI completely free and without limits, first, you sign up with your account. Then, from the link I've placed in the description, you'll go to a temporary email website. Copy the email address provided here, then go over to the Video AI platform and paste it right into this section. Then we click on Next, and a code is sent to the temporary email. First, click on Go to continue. As you can see, the email has arrived, so I copy the code, paste it back here, and now we're inside the Video platform with our credits fully loaded. Now, as you can see, sometimes the 5 credits for creating full HD 1080p videos don't appear right away. If that happens to you, don't worry, just refresh the page. And as you can see, the 5 video credits are back, letting us create high-quality 1080p videos completely free. All right, now let's move on to the exciting part, creating sound effects. Sound effects play a huge role in filmmaking. They connect with the audience's emotions, and when used correctly in the right moments, they can dramatically boost the overall impact and quality of your film. From the link I've placed in the description, you can go to the 11 Labs website, and this page will open up. Click on the section for your videos, and choose the video you want to add sound effects to. For example, I'll select my first video. Notice that as soon as you upload it, the AI immediately starts analyzing the footage, and in just a moment, it generates 4 sound effects for you at high speed based on the visuals. Our 4 sound effects are ready. Click on each one to listen and choose whichever sound you find most appealing. Then, by clicking right here, you can apply it directly to your video. One thing to note, when you want to upload your next video, you might not see a back button. In that case, simply refresh the page, and once it reloads, you can easily upload your next video. After it analyzes, you'll get a new set of sound effects to choose from. There's also a small bug. Sometimes a sound effect might come out empty. It doesn't happen often, but if it does, just refresh and try again. Once you click to apply, the sound effect is locked into your video, giving you an amazing final result.